Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
Today I will show you some basics of AutoDesk Sketchbook. I am using the version of 5.1.0. So whatever tools I will show you here, that may be different from AutoDesk Sketchbook Pro and for iOS. I am doing this through my laptop, so I can't say about what will be the interface for tablet, phone or iPad. So here first you can see the canvas, then its toolbar, then here it is brush pack, and this one is brush library, and this one is color editor, and when we will diminish this, then you will get the color pack. So now we will keep it in minimize size so that you will have a better space to do your sketch in this canvas. And this is the layer editor, and this is brush library where you can get different type of brushes or pens, anything. I mostly prefer this inking pen. I just love this. And yes, you can also set its size like this, you will get. Then its opacity means its flow. You can set all this when you will do your sketch. So here I have some extra brushes also. See, like this you will get different type of brushes, and along with it you will get some settings here. You can see these dots. Now just clicking this dot and you can select any of these options. This is a delete brush set. This one is new brush set. You can add it. New brush, then copy brush, and this is delete brush, import, export, and this is pin set to palette. So all this thing you can do through this, but I really don't need much, so I don't do all those things. Now let's have a look at the file option in the toolbar. First one is new sketch. Through this you can create a sketch and set your canvas size. You can choose from the preset sizes, or you can create your own canvas size. So I am creating my own, and yes, so this is the canvas. After that you will see open. From this you can open existing sketch and continue working on it. After that you will see save. Your saved sketch will be out as TIF file. Then save a copy. Save your sketch without overwriting the original. And then after that you will get export. Through this your sketches will be out as JPG files. Then preferences and help. Obviously this is not much needed. Then after that you will get undo, redo. Then comes selection tool. In this tool you will have the contextual toolbar containing additional editing and transform tools. These have three types of selection to choose, that is lasso, rectangle and magic wand. You can make changes to your selections by using the tools like replace, add, remove, invert or deselect. So this is about selection tool. Then you will get transform tool. Here you will get some additional tools like distort, nudge, flip horizontally, flip vertically. This one is rotation. This both one is rotation. And if you don't like any of your selection, if you are not satisfied with that, then you can cancel it or you can OK it. After this you will get float fill. Here also you will get some additional tools like solid fill, linear fill and radial fill. And this is the tolerance. And this one is toggle sample or layers. This is color adjustment, where you will get two options like SHL and color balance. In color balance you can do all the settings, and through HSL also you can change the hue, saturation and lightness. This one is guides, where you will get ruler, then curve ruler and ellipse. After that you will get perspective guides. This tool leads your strokes along the grid you set up. You can access to 1-point mode, 2-point mode, 3-point mode. Then this is customized grid, infinite constraint grid. This is swap or unswap to vanishing points, lock or unlock perspective guides, and this one is show or hide perspective guides. Then after that you will get symmetry. And symmetry you will get 3 tools which will help you to draw on both halves. This and this will let you to draw in 2 halves like this. If you want only 2, then you can do like this. If you want 4 parts, then you can do like this. Okay, then this one is radial symmetry, and this one, this number you are seeing, you can just increase it to do a beautiful mandala. And this one is extend or stop strokes at the center line, and this one is lock or unlock the symmetry lines, and this one is show or hide symmetry lines. See, by doing this you can do a nice mandala design. Isn't it cool? I think it's very much easier to do in this. This is steady stroke or stroke stabilizer. This gives you a very smooth line. If you draw any curved line, then you will get a very smooth line. Like this you will get. I'm doing this. This one is like, you will get very smooth line. Now see this one like this, and for spiral also you will get very smooth spiral. Like this you will get. Then comes your shape. It gives you the guides for drawing lines, oval and rectangle. Then comes your add image. You can add any image to your canvas, and then you can trace the drawing or anything, whatever you like. Then at last it comes text. This lets you to add text like this.
Then you can change its textile and also its color. Then you can change its perspective like this. Then you can move this text to any place. Then you can flip it, then rotate it, and then if you don't like it, cancel it.
Now here it's pen mode. Then this one is UI toggle, where you will get sketchbook extras, and if you have connected to internet, then you can download the free brushes that is available here. Then after you will get brush library, then brush editor, then it's color editor, then it's copy color. I basically don't use this, but if you are comfortable, then use this copy color. Then is layer editor. This is default layout. If you made any mistake on the settings, then you can simply click on this. And this one is your full screen on or off. Like this if you do, then you will get much space to do your sketches. Then here by clicking there, your full screen is off. So this is all about your AutoDesk Sketchbook. I hope this will be helpful for you.